Hello students, hope you are doing well by the grace of Lord. And I also pray for your safety. Actually, we are going through a very critical situation for this pandemic. As a result, we are to stay at home. I hope you are continuously studying at home regularly. So dear students, in my previous class I have shown you how to use pre-modifier and post-modifier. And now I am going to show you how to use post modifier and pre modifier to solve the question paper. And the modifier will appear in the question paper in number 9 and the marks will be number 5. So here we are going to solve the paragraph using pre modifier and post modifier. Long ago there was an dash king in the England. So number 1, we can see a clue, pre-modify the noun. So we have already known that which parts of speech pre-modify the noun, that is adjective. So in number 1, number A, we have to use an adjective. And there was another clue, an. So we have to use here an adjective, and that adjective that can also perfect before an. So long ago there was an old king in England. He was tired of ruling and needed rest. He had dash daughters, Goneril, Regan and Cordelia. So in the clue we can see pre-modify the noun with a quantifier. So in number B we have to use a quantifier. As we can see, Goneril, Regan, Cordelia, here are the 3 names. So we have to use here number 3 quantifier as quantifier. He had 3 daughters, Goneril, Regan and Cordelia. He made up his mind dash among his daughters. He made up his mind. In the clue we can see what we have to use. Post modify the verb with an infinitive phrase. So what is infinitive? We have already know that 2 plus base form of verb. And here we can see that we have to use an infinitive phrase. That means 2 base form of verb and 2 or 3 more words we have to add with that infinitive. So I have used here, he made up his mind to divide his kingdom among his daughters. But he first wanted dash how much they loved him. So in number D, in the clue we can see post modify the verb with an infinitive. That means we have to use infinitive once again. But he first wanted to know how much they loved him. At first the king asked his dash daughter how much she loved him. So in the clue we can see that pre-modify the noun. That means we have to use here an adjective. At first the king asked his first daughter how much she loved him. Goneril declared that she loved him dash than she could say. So number F, we can see we have to use here an intensifier. We have already known about intensifier. What are the intensifier? So we have to use here one of the intensifier. I have used here Goneril declared that she loved him more than she could say. The king was dash satisfied. In the clue, pre-modify the adjective with an adverb. So we have already known that which parts of speech modify an adjective. So we have to use here an adverb. The king was very satisfied. So that very is an adverb. So we have used here very. The king was very satisfied. He gave her 1/3 of the kingdom. Then he asked his daughter Regan. And in the clue, pre-modify the noun. That means we have to use here an adjective. That means a number. Then he asked his second daughter Regan. She replied that her love for him would never change. She was able him. In the clue, post-modify the adjective with an infinitive. So we have to use here an infinitive to post-modify the adjective. She was able to, you can use here please or satisfy. So she was able to please or satisfy him. So the king gave her another third of his kingdom. Then it was the turn of Cordelia, the daughter of the king. So in the clue we can see pre-modify the noun with an adjective. That means we have to use here adjective. The third daughter of the king. So dear students, I have already shown you how to use pre-modifier and post-modifier to solve the question paper. Now I am giving you some exercises to do, and in the screen you can see exercise number 1, and you have to collect all this exercise from the video by taking screenshot. Here we can see number 1. Next, number 3, number 2, number 5, and you also be given marks for all the exercise. So till then, stay healthy.